Now let's demonstrate the concept of measures. First things first, let's ingest the data from get data text CSV. Let's double click our sales data for the measure hands-on. Let's click on load now. Our input file is in the model, looks good. Now I'll go to modeling here. Now click on new measure here. Now let's provide the formula. Let's say I want to find the total sales. So this will sum the amount column across all rows. If you look, right, there's a sum function here. I'll click on the tick mark here and we can see the total sales. So this looks good. I'll click on clustered column maybe, and the total sales we can see here. So looks good. For the apples, banana and cherries, we can see the total sales. So that's how we implement measures. Thank you so much. Let's meet in our next lecture.